What's up, Wildcats? This is Ava Veldrin with High Point Social Media Program, and today I'm here with my little brother, David.
Hi.
And today we are going to teach you guys how to make scrambled eggs. To get started, you're going to need a couple of items. So first, you should get out
Milk, egg, a bowl, stove, pan, and a spoon. First, we're gonna crack the egg. After that, put it in the trash. Next, we're gonna need to whisk it. Make sure all the chunks are gone. Pour a little bit of milk in. Now put the whisk back in and spin it. Light it and put it to medium. Then you want to pour it in. Next, grab your spatula and put it in and spin it.
What does spinning it do?
So first it boils the egg a little faster, and it makes it into like chunkier, other than runny and watery.
As you can see, it's sticking. So what should we have done to make it not stick, David?
Put water.
Yeah, so that is what we need to do for next time.
After they come to chunks, they are ready to serve. They're not working. Hello? Ah! I need a spoon. The spatula did not work. Make sure to clean up your mess. If you want any extra toppings, you just put some salt or some pepper. Next, if you don't want it, you could just feed it right to the dog. Oh wow, she doesn't like them.
Thank you, David, for teaching us how to make a super easy scrambled eggs recipe.
Thanks. Bye.
This is Ava Veldrin with High Point's social media program, and thank you for watching.